bunch of crap. So we are at my place now here. I came to bend those pieces up, at least the long pens. So let's do those. And this is 2 mil thick, so it's not gonna be easy. But quite doable. Now we have 2 pieces bent up. Let's go back to the workplace. I got those pieces all bent up now, and also this one that will connect those from the bottom. Go like so. So now we got this part ready. Now I'm gonna primer the inside of this, and there will be a strengthening piece here. You will see that later. Another piece done and painted. So now I can cut this old rusty piece of junk away from here. Got all this rotten piece cut out of here, and also this, the part that holds the spring. It fell off on here. So next time I'm gonna cut this open a little bit more, and I can finally start welding stuff on the vehicle. I can weld in a patch here. Obviously later we need to do quite a bit work here as well. We have this piece ready. I got a bunch more rust got out of here. What a mess we got here. But now I already ground that down, all welded in the nice. Now I can start putting that puzzle back together. Now I'm gonna weld that piece here, and then we have some other layers to add here as well. Now we can start building this thing back up again. So let's see where we are now. Yesterday we got that place repaired, that, and I managed to make one more piece. All primed inside, and that will go here. We got here one line going. I'm gonna mark that so we can bend that. Right now we got this going on. And now we are gonna need to curve it. That's gonna happen like so. Fits up very nicely. Now I'm gonna drill some spot weld holes here. It's gonna spot weld here. And just like that, we have turned that into this. And it took less than an hour. All dry now. And I can weld it in. Now we made that rod look like so. I was hoping to reuse those, but after cleaning most of the rust off, those are too far gone, so I'm gonna make new ones. Got those pieces all fabbed up, all the shapes match, and this hole matches up. I'm not gonna make that hole into the new piece because we don't need that. So yeah, now those pieces are ready. So we had this piece of crap and fabricated this one. So I'm gonna put some primer on it, on those pieces. Those will weld here like so later on. Like so. I drilled all the spot weld holes also here. So now we can start putting this thing together. Bolt those in here. And that one goes here like so. So this is welded in now. Nice, that one all welded in as well. So it's the next day now. Luckily I was handed those pieces, but I'm gonna only use this bottom corner here. There was nothing in here, so I made here this panel, welded it all in. Another piece fabricated. One piece fabricated again. This one goes here like so. Later on this corner piece will spot weld to it from here. It's the next morning for me. Now I'm gonna screw that in place so I can mark where I need to cut it. Nice. Now I can mark from the inside. Now we are gonna weld this puppy in. And we repeat the process until everything is filled. I'm gonna grind this all smooth now, and we will go from there. From the outside, this side. That was all pretty bad, but now got this piece fabricated here, and now I'm gonna weld it in. So got this all welded and ground down. Drilled the holes here for spot welds, and now we can weld that into place. Hello. And now there's this last corner here before I can move to the floor. So first I'm gonna weld in this piece. Those pieces are welded in, and now I can weld in the last piece of this wheel well. Finally. I got the template made for this floor piece. So it's the next day for me, and I made the template. Now I can transfer this into metal. Next I'm gonna weld this flange part. Now all the parts are painted. Primed to be exact. And also all the frame parts from the inside and the flanges and that frame part as well. So let's weld it in now. And now the last piece is going in here. So got the last piece fabricated for this rear corner here. It goes here like so, just so dirt can't get in. That's pretty much everything I cut out and replaced with new metal in this corner. So all of this corner pretty much is custom made except for that outer panel. And that was the last piece I welded in. Also welded in this panel here. And the floor is nicely welded in as well. Okay, that's it for this corner, but that's far from all, because the other side is pretty much just as bad as that side was. So all that work needs to be done here as well. But before that, I'm gonna need to fix this place here. And of course this is not very convenient and it's gonna be quite tricky, but I'm gonna do that next. So this is the frame joint I still need to do. As you can see, this is pretty much gone.